Merging Visions, a collaborative exhibit of art and poetry, presented by the Visual Arts Society of Texas and the Denton Poets Assembly. What began as a casual conversation between two members of the Denton Poets Assembly, DPA, one of whom was also a member of the Visual Arts Society of Texas, VAST, board, grew into a collaborative exhibit that became known as Merging Visions. Recognizing that strong visual imagery can occur when reading many poems, they discussed the possibility of pairing poetry with art and displaying two in an exhibition for the community. Both VAST and the DPA boards promptly agreed that there would be an interest in such an exhibit and commenced planning. In 2007, representatives from the DPA and VAST formed a committee who worked to formulate the basis of the exhibit: the name, the contracts, and process through which the artists and poets could pair their works, the development of the logo, and many other details. They concluded either the artist or the poet could initiate the process. The exhibit has been sponsored by the Denton Public Library. It has been hosted at the Emily Fowler Central Library and the North Branch Library. The exhibit also has been at the South Branch Library and has most recently been on display at the Meadows Gallery at the Patterson-Appleton Arts Center at the Greater Denton Arts Council. Other host venues have included the University of North Texas and the MCL Grand in Louisville. Copies of the catalogs are located in the reference section of the Denton Public Library and are archived in the Special Collections Department and the University of North Texas Libraries, and through the Poetry Society of Texas, the History and Archives Division of the J. Eric Johnson Central Library in Dallas. This year marks the 12th year of this exhibition. Through it and its accompanying color catalog, the exhibition continues to underscore the collaboration and new perspectives benefiting everyone: the artist, the poet, and the viewer, who continues to share the voice these two art forms lend each other. The exhibition is on view at the Greater Denton Arts Council website, dentonarts.com. If you would like to learn more about the works of art and poems featured in this video, please visit our website where you can see details of the pieces, read the poetry, hear the poets read the poetry, and read artist statements and poet statements about the works. Catalogs are available for sale through the Visual Arts Society of Texas.